In the last video I did, one-arm workout system was a success. Now in this video, I'm going outside in the cold weather and I'm going to freeze stuff like water, bananas, ice cubes, and money. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to fill this cup with hot water. And we're going to place it outside and see if this can freeze it. The next thing that will be going outside will be a banana. We're going to place the banana right next to the hot water. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get some ice. And just like that, it's time to take this outside. All right, that's 3 down. Now it's time to get a $1 bill. Correction. I have a $5 bill. We're gonna place this outside along with banana, ice, and hot water. Alright guys, I'm outside right now. Let's go and see if any of the items were frozen. Wow. Well guys, you got your answer. The ice is frozen. The water is frozen. Banana is sort of frozen. It's very cold, not yet frozen. But the money apparently is not frozen. So this is your answer. Money cannot freeze in a cold weather. I'll be keeping that money. But other than that, we did pretty good, guys. I think it's time for a little celebration for the banana. Well, that was delightful.